Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase weekly account settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Coinbase app and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Coinbase. Then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.